2015 750 BMW rear strut. So to get to the strut mount bolts, which is in here, it's gonna be very tight. You're gonna have to make do. So first things first, you're gonna start with this piece right here. It's a T20. It's one bolt right here where it says airbag. You take out the clip, you take that out, you pop it out. Then next thing is you're gonna loosen this up. It just has a pin here, clips here. Just pop this up and then you slide it out. Slide it out like this. And then this one has two 10mm bolts on both sides. But before you take these out, let me zoom out. Sorry, all sweaty. This piece needs to move because this goes under it. This one has two 10mm bolts, one here and one down there on both sides. So once you pop these out, this will give you space to move. And then you're also gonna have to remove the speakers from up here so it can give you room to move. And then you just move this around. There's also a 10mm bolt right there, straight through where that is. So you'll be able to move this out because that one clips in there. And this is how it goes. So this is removed. I was just jiggling around to like just pop it out enough to give me room to reach the bolts over here. This one and this one go on top of it. I just ripped this here because to remove the whole foam is going to be a lot of work. And then there's one bolt here. One bolt is going to be over here, and then one here. And then you just put the process back.